Welcome back to the channel. Today's video starts with drizzle in the air and ends with exposed assumptions. A man walks across a public space, and within minutes, he's labeled suspicious. Why? A mask, a camera, and a police ego that didn't expect pushback. But when the questions start flying, the confidence starts fading. Stay with this one, because what unfolds is a perfect example of why knowing your rights matters.
Hey folks, it's the Laughing Audit here, and I'm in Milton Keynes, ladies and gentlemen. I've come to this Milton Keynes police station right in the sort of city centre, part of Thames Valley Police Force, Police Service. And yeah, I'm going to see how I get on here today, guys. So if you enjoy this video and you find it entertaining, by all means, please like it, feel free to share it. But don't forget, pop down, hit that subscribe button. I will really appreciate it. And we'll certainly see if we can laugh at this lot today. Excuse me. And we'll take it from there. A bit overcast today. There's a little bit of drizzle earlier on. I'm hoping it's going to stay dry. And I'm hoping the wind isn't going to get too much. But we'll certainly see how we get on. And yeah, I'm going to have a look around and I'll pick it back up shortly. Right.
How you doing?
I'm alright, I'm not your mate though.
Second, sorry?
I'm not your mate, you address me as sir.
Apologies, trying to be polite. Just quick chat. You know, you've not done anything wrong. Just a member of the public seeing you with a camera out. It's completely legal.
Yeah.
You know, I can't stop you doing what you want in that regard. But yeah, basically, because of your rucksack and looking in cars, there was a concern that you might be doing something nefarious. No, I don't know that. All I'm saying is if you want to record police officers, record the station, you're more than able. You do you. But just
Can you gentlemen identify yourself from the police?
Of course, can I, my name's PC Gillett, 3074 from Milton Keynes Police Station.
Yourself.
PC Fallon, Sean number 8077, also attached to Milton Keynes Police Station.
So what's the allegation?
There's no allegation, as I say.
So why are you coming up talking to me then?
Basically, a member of the public is just seeing you walking around vehicles, so he's seen you peering through the windows.
I saw you as I came in, and I saw you walking along the back of the cars parked along that green bit.
Yeah.
And you obviously, your face is covered up.
Okay.
And glasses on. You're walking around a load of parked cars.
Okay.
It looks suspicious, as if you're looking to kind of break into
It
them.
looks suspicious.
Yeah. Because you're walking along around a load of parked cars, and then once I've parked up, I see you start walking along this bit. So it doesn't look like you're going to a car.
Where else do you want me to walk on the road?
It starts calmly, almost too calmly. A routine intro outside Milton Keynes Police Station. Light drizzle in the air, nothing dramatic. But within moments, that calm atmosphere cracks. An officer approaches, claiming concern that the man might be doing something nefarious. The reason? He walked near parked cars wearing a face covering. Suspicion is built entirely on perception. The auditor immediately challenges the basis of that suspicion and asks the officer to identify himself, especially since he's not in full uniform. What unfolds is subtle but powerful, a clash over identity, authority, and public space. The officer hesitates. The tone tightens. The tension begins building not through shouting, but through implication.
The thing is, you're not walking anywhere particular.
No,
you're walking around cars.
You don't know that, but what I'm asking, you mind identifying yourself, seeing as you're not in full uniform, please?
Well, I'm not acting as a police officer.
Well, you are, because you come up questioning me saying that I was acting suspicious.
No,
so I'm asking you to identify yourself, please, if you don't mind.
What I've seen.
I'm asking you to identify yourself.
I'll leave it.
So you're refusing to identify yourself?
Not at all, mate. I don't have to.
Well, you do have to, because I've asked you to.
You didn't have to.
So you're going to find yourself in a spot of bother, pal.
Okay, fella. As I said, we've no.
I'm not fella. I've already established that. You address me as sir, okay?
I'm polite with you.
Well, you're not being polite.
I don't
take it as polite,
in essence,
okay?
what I'm trying to say to you is that I appreciate what you're doing.
No, I'm walking about minding my own business, and I'm getting apprehended.
Maybe let's be conscious of how you might be perceived by others.
I don't care how I perceive that. It's someone else's problem, not mine.
Exactly that. So that's why I'm trying to have a
still didn't answer my question. If I'm not allowed to walk on the grass, where do you want me to walk?
Listen.
No, I won't listen. Who are you talking to? Wind your neck in.
I will speak to you.
Address me properly, understand?
I'm speaking to you because you're not listening to us.
I don't need to listen to you. You need to understand that,
I'm going to tell you how it is.
No, you're not telling me nothing, pal. You're dismissed. Go away. See you later. Jog on. Disappear.
If I was to walk around
your car,
looking through the window,
and
what would you think?
I don't care, mate. It's none of my business.
You wouldn't care?
It's none of my business.
You wouldn't care if someone's peering into your car?
None of my business.
Okay, so
was I peering into cars? Was I peering into cars?
Yes, that is what the
Okay, where's your evidence of that? And is that a crime?
The member of the public has come to us and stated that they've seen you looking through cars.
So you've already lied, because I asked you what the report was and you said there was no. I asked you what the allegation was, you said there was no allegation. Now you're saying that there was a report, by a member of the public saying I was peering at the cars.
You said that's not an allegation.
Is that a crime?
That's not a crime to look through.
So we'll jog on then. Do one.
What's with the hostility?
Pardon?
Have we come over hostile to you?
Yes, 100%.
How's that?
Because I'm walking about minding my own business. He's followed me from all the way up there, back over here. No, let me finish. Let me finish.
We were on the corner.
Yeah, and I walked away from you. Did I not? And you followed me. You followed me all the way from over there, all the way back up here. You followed me. Okay, and now you're saying, oh, I'm acting suspicious because I'm walking on some grass at this park area over there. And I may or may not have looked in a car, which isn't a crime in itself. So you cannot sit and giving it all this crap.
But it is grounds to suspect certain offences, yes.
So what offence do you suspect?
I don't suspect of you right now, but
you just said it.
Of going equipped.
Going equipped?
Going equipped, yes. So people looking through cars are well known to carry implements that may be able to access inside the vehicle. Okay,
let me ask you something. Have I alleviated your suspicion?
Well, looking through car windows would be suspicious. Wearing a face covering, hiding your identity.
Is it a crime to wear a face covering now?
I'm not saying that.
Over a year and a half ago, it was a crime not to wear one. Okay, so have I alleviated your suspicion? Is what I'm asking.
Not at this point in time.
No.
This is why we're just coming to question your speech here. That's what we do. First of all, we're going to speak to you.
So am I detained then?
No, I'm not detained at all.
So I suggest you do one.
Well, we can be here too as much as you can be.
Okay, because I don't need to technically be detained to be detained. If I feel that I can't walk away, then technically I'm under detainment.
You can leave at any time if you want to.
You could be liable to civil action in relation to that.
Okay, that's perfectly fine. Well, you're not detained at all. You can leave. You can go.
Well, I'm asking you to leave. I'm asking you to walk away.
I will say.
I don't take advice, mate. Jog on, do one. You're not.
You just engage with you politely.
No, you haven't been polite. You've come up saying that I'm looking suspicious because I'm wearing a face mask. I've got a hat on, and I'm looking, and I might be looking at cars.
Okay. In essence, I just want to have a quick chat with you.
Do you speak to everybody like this that's got a face covering?
What do you mean by this?
Is this how you speak to people that wear a burqa or in a cab? Would you suspect them of potentially going equipped, as you say, if they happen to be down here with a face covering and somebody says, I might have looked in a car?
Not getting anywhere.
No, of course not. So you're going to disappear, go back to work, mind your own business.
100%.
Of course you're not going to search me for anything.
You're professionally curious, is what we call it. I just want to have a quick conversation with you. I didn't mean
to antagonise you in any way. You're out of order.
We're conversing with you.
I'll accept your apology.
For what?
For stopping me going about my business. I was quite happy to. No.
Clearly, you're exceptionally busy.
You call it talking. You call it talking. I call it harassment. Yeah, you're dismissed. Jog on. Shut up, man. Go back to work, muppet. Absolute joke.
This is where irritation turns into open confrontation. The officer insists the behavior looks suspicious, citing car break-ins and face coverings. The auditor fires back. Calmly at first, then firmly, demanding to know what offense he's actually suspected of committing. The officer struggles to articulate one. Words like equipped are floated, but nothing concrete lands. Meanwhile, the auditor pushes a critical point. Walking near cars and wearing a mask is not a crime. The interaction spirals as tone replaces substance. The officer calls it a polite conversation. The auditor calls it harassment. That disagreement defines this segment. It's no longer about suspicion, it's about justification. And justification is clearly running thin.
So now we'll follow them, see if they like it. And now I am going to go and look through cars. And what are they going to do? Absolutely hee-haw. Absolute joke. So it's a polite conversation when they come up harassing you, minding your own business. I was quite happy on that nice little bit over there by the trees. Very quiet and peaceful, and then these two muppets come and follow me about. So carry on. We need to check there's no one in here. I've got the scaffold away, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, big old front counter this. Can't help, I'm okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
If you need anything, just shout. Okay?
Yeah, I'll be alright. Cheers, pal.
Thank you.
That's how you engage with a member of the public, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, sir. How can I help? I can't help. No worries, if you need it, just give me a shout. Why did I find it so difficult? So, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, we just sat chilling there, over by that grassy bit over there, when I was accosted. I was followed by two numpties.
Hello, buddy, alright?
You alright, yeah?
Are you Torbin Mater?
No.
That's alright, because I've dealt with him before, he's alright, he is.
Is he? Right, good stuff.
Yeah, okay, mate.
Alright, pal. My Torbinator. Big up Tob. That's it. I'd got the first part of the filming and I decided to sort of chill over at a grassy area. And over there, just next to that yellow sort of grip box, just on the grass, I was just chilling. There isn't any benches or anything. And I seen the two police officers. They came from this direction and they spoke to a male in a blue shirt on this corner, and I walked away from them because I knew they were going to follow me there. And so I've walked right up there and then across the road and came across to the other side, just so that if anything happened it would be captured on CCTV, and just in case, you know, they snatch my camera or whatever. That's happened before. And that way there's more chance of it being captured on CCTV or whatever else. That officer also didn't remind me of his body camera. And it's a strange day when police officers think that they don't have to identify themselves to members of the public. Absolutely crazy that they think it's okay to not identify themselves. What absolute crazy world do these people think they live in? So this location, guys, it's right next to the courts, so I might just do a little double audit. Go and have a wee look around the court building. Someone's sat smoking. And then TVP, Thames Valley Police. Yes, go. See ya. He's sitting saying you can't film me. I'm nodding my head saying yes I can. His little Toyota Yaris. Maybe he's it's not his privacy he's worried about. It's probably his probably an embarrassment that he drives about in that monstrosity of a motor. Do you know, if I drove about in that, I would certainly be a little bit embarrassed myself, to be fair. So I'm not going to do nothing about it. So I don't know if there's a Crown Court here. I know I've seen the magistrate and the county court, but I didn't see the Crown Court. There might be. It's called the Law Centre, they call it. It's police station and law centres was on the sign. So that's a youth court up there. Let's take a wee wander up here. Thames Valley Probation Office. Oh, that's here as well. So that is. We've done a probation office before. So we did. So, need to bear in mind that there is members of the public using these facilities, guys, and I don't want to inadvertently catch them on film. But nonetheless, it is a public place. And the county court, I think, is just up here as well. So it is. Sure, the county court's here. What's the back of the police station? Let's we wander down here. That's the county court there. You've got to be out at the back of the police station after all. So there's a lady at the window. Yeah. No. Somebody bugger off. Give me the old thumb symbol, that means I need to hang about a bit. Oh yeah. Not much to see here. There's just a few cars down there. I wonder where the prison vans go. Can't really see it, can you? She's hiding my face. Yo! How you doing? What? Yeah, mate. You alright, yeah? Yeah. How you doing? Can I help you?
No, we don't need you.
Why were you shouting on me then?
Sorry?
Why were you shouting on me then?
No. Somebody talking about somebody around here.
Oh, it was me, probably. Yeah, just floating about. Is there an issue?
Are you a YouTuber?
Pardon?
Are you a YouTuber?
Do you think I'm a YouTuber?
Okay.
Do you?
And you say what?
Do you think I'm a YouTuber?
I don't know.
You don't? Right, okay. Does it matter? What's the difference?
Nothing matters.
Doesn't matter. How's your day going, okay?
Everything's fine.
Yeah, you had your lunch yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, you fed and refreshed. Good man.
Thank you, boss, yeah?
Okay, see you again. Bye-bye.
Alright boys, have a good day, yeah? Take care, gentlemen. Bye-bye.
The confrontation fades, but the tension lingers. The auditor walks away, still visibly frustrated, narrating what just happened. He explains how he moved locations deliberately to ensure CCTV coverage, a telling sign of distrust. Then something interesting happens. Another officer engages, calmly, respectfully, and briefly. No accusations, no suspicion, just normal interaction. The contrast is striking. The earlier hostility now feels unnecessary. As the auditor continues exploring the surrounding courts and probation office, the energy settles. No further escalation, no detention, just reflection. He ends the video acknowledging his frustration, but also highlighting the larger issue, perception versus reality. In the end, nothing illegal occurred, but the encounter itself speaks volumes.
Oh, where was I? They shouted on me from over there. So they did. They were okay, they were decent enough. You know, too much bother. Don't see nothing much in there. So no sign of life. So I think I'm going to leave it at that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to move on, and yeah, I'll call it a day. But it's been a strange one, you know. Like, I got really annoyed by those police officers coming up and harassing me, because I wasn't even filming at the time. I was just chilling, taking a minute to enjoy the serenity of the moment, and I got harassed. I was followed, and they think that's them being nice. Jesus Christ! I'd hate to see them being nasty, because following people about and they're minding their own business. I mean, I can understand if I was maybe right outside the police station. I was at the other end of the car park. I was just sat in the grass chilling, and they came and followed me about, so not too happy. But yeah, it's been Milton Keynes Police Station, Milton Keynes Magistrate Court, Milton Keynes County Court, Milton Keynes Probation Office, all in one go. Jeez, aren't you fortunate? You get 4 audits for the price of one. It's all probably going on one video, so I'm going to leave it at that, ladies and gentlemen. If you have enjoyed this video, please like it, feel free to share it, and don't forget, just pop down, click that subscribe button, and I would really appreciate it. And onwards and upwards, and I'll see you all soon. You've been watching Laughing Auditor. Take care.